Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. This is Tanbir. Today I will speak about BAGARHAT district. So let's start the video. BAGARHAT district, located in southwestern Bangladesh, is a regional steeped in history and natural beauty. Known as the City of Mosque, it is home to the UNESCO World Heritage Site, the 60-dome mosque, Shahid Gambuz Masjid, built in the 15th century by the Turkish General Khan Jahan Ali. This architectural marvel, along with other historical structures like the Nine-Dome Mosque, Khan Jahan Ali tomb, reflect the rich Islamic heritage of the area. BAGARHAT is also renowned for its lush landscape, including the Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest, which is shared with India. The Sundarban is a biodiversity hotspot, home to the Royal Bengal tiger and many other species. The district's rivers such as the Rupsha and Mongla play a vital role in its economy, supporting fishing and trade. The people of BAGARHAT are known for their warmth and hospitality, with a culture deeply rooted in tradition and festivals. The district's economy achieved one agriculture, fishing, tourism, attracting visitors from around the world. BAGARHAT is a testament to Bangladesh's rich history and natural splendor, making it a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts and natural alike. This is the video. We will come back again tomorrow. So goodbye.